Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan natin ngayon kung ano yung enerhiya o mensahe na ating pong mababasa para sa iyo, Virgo, at sa person mo. I was hurt by you. Okay, so sinasabi dito, Virgo, I was hurt by you. Nasaktan ako sa ginawa mo. Now, this could be either you, Virgo, o yung person mo. Okay? So, ito yung pinaka-main na naging sitwasyon o theme ng ating reading ngayon. So, isa sa inyo o pareho kayo nasaktan sa nangyari o sa naganap. The King of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, the Knight of Wands, the King of Swords, and the Sun. Bottom niya is the Five of Pentacles. Okay, Virgo, ang Five of Pentacles, ito yung enerhiya o yung pakiramdam na alam mo yung bigla ka na lang hindi na pinansin, hindi ka binigyan ng importansya, parang pakawari mo, option ka lang, o yung feeling na iniwan ka sa ere. Basta umalis na lang, iniwan ka. Masakit ito kasi syempre kung gaba parang nagbigay ka ng panahon, yung damdamin. So in other words, may investment kung gaba sa negosyo. Inalagaan mo to, no? You took care of this relationship. Binigyan mo ng panahon, pagmamahal, oras. Kaya kung gaba halaga, kaya kung umalis man itong tao na to, hindi ka na pinansin o binaliwala ka na lang, masakit talaga yon. Hermit, ikaw ito, Virgo. Kaya ikaw ay parang nag-isip-isip. Kung ba talagang you went with it, no? Yung tinignan mo yung sarili mo. Kung ano ba yung problema, diferensya, pagkakamali, pagkukulang, hindi nagawa, o sobrang nagawa. So, in other words, ini-evaluate mo yung sarili mo at saka yung sitwasyon yung dalawa. At with the Temperance energy coming from a Sagittarius, you are looking for na mabalance nyo mabuti itong relationship na to. You're trying to balance, of course, the emotion and yung pagiging practical mo na tao, no? Your time to ground yourself, to do what you're best in doing, which is your work, yung service na pinaprovide mo sa ibang tao, as against to the emotions, no? Kasi ang temperance dito, kung titingnan mo, is the angel is trying to, kung ba, put water dun sa dalawang cup na hawak niya. Kung ba parang, di ba yung hinahati niya mabuti, yung pagmamahal, yung emotions, to make it balance. Kasi kung dati kulang dito yung isang kupita ng tubig, ngayon gawin ni angel is to temper it, no? Dagdagan yung kulang na yon para maging patas kayo, equal, no? Yun yung ano ng temperance eh. Maging balanse kayo muli, ma-heal, no? Kung meron man diferensya, maayos nyo to. So that is what temperance is trying to say or to do sa relationship na to. Now, yung first card mo dito, of course, this is you, the King of Pentacles, Virgo. You wanted na maging secure, you wanted na maging stable yung relationship, talagang grounded, practical, nakafocus yung energy mo sa work at saka sa family. You know, all the good stuff of what a King of Pentacles normally do. You know all of that. Kasi ikaw yun eh. No, yun yung ginagawa mo. That is what you're trying to do. Kaso, may nangyari eh. That brought this hurt, no, with the Three of Swords. Nasaktan ka eh. There was a hurt. Take it as it resonates dito. It could be you or it could be a person na nakaramdam nitong hurt na to. Kasi the Three of Swords is yung tipong merong ginawang something na nakakasira ng loyalty, no, o yung tiwala nawawala. Pwedeng meron siyang nagkaroon ng third party, pwedeng naging mapaglihim, merong nagsinungaling, meron din namang ba ninakaw, may kinuha sa inyong dalawa. In other words, it could be something na of value to you na hindi mo alam, kinuha sa'yo. In other words, hindi siya nagpaalam, hindi siya nagsabi. Pwede rin namang meron tong hindi magandang bisyo. Yun eh. Yun yung mga causes of having so much pain, hurt, no? Yung sakit. Nagdulot ng sakit sa damdamin. Knight of Wands is yung energy natin na sana maging masigla muli yung relationship. Sana masayahin, sana nga maging, alam mo yun, yung punong-puno ng buhay, pag-asa, yung tipong let's have fun, no? Kasi ito si Pentacles, seryoso to eh, pera yan. Ito naman si Wands, enjoyment ito. Let's do fun things, enjoy life. Ito naman si Swords, kasi puro sila hari eh, is asking for honest communication. Pag-uusap. Mag-usap tayo ng masinsinan. Inaalam nito kung ano na yung katotohanan. No? Kasi maybe your person mo has been doing a lot of fun stuff. Tipong naiwan ka kasi you've just been working and working and working. trying to earn a lot of money para sa inyo, wala ka ng time to enjoy, syempre yung person mo naman gusto naman makapag-enjoy din. And somehow ikaw parang, ano na ba, nasa na ba tayong dalawa? No, bakit hindi na tayong dalawa, no? Parang kanya-kanya na ba tayo? Ang purpose mo kasi ba't kayo nag-uusap is to have this happiness again. Magkaroon ulit ng kaligayahan. You know, to bring happiness, success sa ating relationship. The sun. This is an energy coming from a Leo. Okay? Yun yung advice, no? To bring out again that happiness. Now, but andito yung Three of Swords. Bakit andito yung Three of Swords? We have the Temperance, the Queen of Swords, and the Page of Cups. Ano ba yung naging hurt? Bakit nga ba nagkaroon ng hurt feelings? No? Bakit ka nasaktan? Kasi nga, baka merong kakulangan. May lack of. Yung, it could be the emotion or the time. Kasi nga, nakikita ko rito na maybe because you're too busy working. Wala na yung time to have fun. No? Kaya, Temperance is here para mabalansi kayo. And the Queen of Swords is really, again, sabi ko nga, diba, ito yung King is all about, come on, sabihin mo na, honestly, ano ba talaga? Ano bang problema natin? Kasi parang, diba, this is the time to be really telling me or open up kung ano ba talaga yung problema. And maybe it has something to do with love. No? Message of love, small messages of love. With the Page of Cups. Ito yung nagbibigay ka ng mensahe ng pagmamahal. Baka ito yung wala. Nalimutan na natin na paminsan-minsan, masarap din naman makatanggap ng maliliit na messages ng love from your person. You know, hindi naman kailangan magkaroon ng okasyon para i-express yung pagmamahal na yun. It could be any day. Diba? Out of the blue, yung tipong biglaan lang na may padala sa'yo, may ibigay sa'yo maliit na note, mag-send sa'yo ng flowers, o bigyan ka ng gift, or just to tell you that I love you. I miss you. Sometimes we forget to say those words. Parang, kasi alam mo, parang yung pakiramdam mo ba na alam mo na yan? Hindi eh. Hindi yun ganon. Kasi, alam natin may love, but sometimes, yung tipong, dahil hindi mo na siya sinasabi, parang nawawala, nababawasan. Maybe the reason why we say I love you is to remind you, no? To remind yourself and your person that you love the person. And if you say it frequently, kung madalas mo sinasabi I love you, it is a constant reminder between you and your person that there is love between the two of you. Pag hindi mo sinasabi, imagine mo, parang as if it is just an ordinary day. Na parang tipong nakikipagtrabaho ka lang sa opisina. Papasok ka, gawin mo yung work mo, lalabas ka ulit, uwian na kasi. Parang ganun lang. Pero if there is somebody in your life that is saying, I love you, out of the blue, then you feel special. You feel that it is not just an ordinary day. Hindi ba? Hindi ba, Virgo? Bakit andito yung King of Swords? Page of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles. Yung pag-uusapan nyo kasi, it has something to do with something that you need both to know. Pareho nyo kailangang malaman na it has something to do with cooperation. Kailangan pareho kayo na magkaroon ng give and take. In other words, hindi mag-work out itong relationship kung isa lang ang gumagawa. There should be harmony between the two of you. Page of Pentacles is something na for you to hold on to, something na very solid. Something na makita nyo na talagang worth fighting for. Maybe, what? Pag tinignan mo yung mga napundar nyo na, yung meron kayo, material things, no? Material things ito na meron na kayo. Would you just let it go? Ganun lang kadali? Halimbawa, nag-start na kayo magpundar ng nakakabili nyo lang ng kotse o nakabili kayo ng bahay and it would take 25 years to pay. I-let go nyo lang ba yung naumpisahan nyo ng pagbayad? Kaya kung ba parang pag-isipan mabuti. Normal minsan na alam mo makaramdam tayo ng pain every now and then sa relationship, but that is like a check and balance, no? Yung tipong kaya ito nangyayari kasi para to see nga na malakas pa ba yung relationship natin? Malakas pa ba tayong dalawa? Ando pa ba yung love? Ando pa ba yung respeto? Kasi baka nawawala na. Diba? Bakit andito yung Sun? Okay, so ang jumping card natin dito, yung una is the Ace of Cups. Pangalawa is the Ace of Pentacles. And we have the Seven of Swords. So, you wanted to bring back yung happiness na yon sa relationship, Virgo. Which is good. Kasi, di ba? Mungga ba parang pwede pa natin maayos to. Kaya nga sinasabi is, have this new beginning in love. Panibagong pag-umpisa sa pag-ibig. Panibagong pag-umpisa muli sa mga bagay na pinapangarap nyo na makuha materially. And with the Seven of Swords, alsin natin tong energy na to, Virgo. This is something na alam mo namang hindi maputi. And also to your person. Alsin natin yung paglilihim, alsin natin yung pagsisinungaling, alsin natin yung pagtatago, paggagawa ng hindi mabuti, pagnanakaw, pagkakaroon ng bisyo. Alam mo yun, yung alsin natin tong energy na to. You know, stick with this new beginning in love and in material things, yung resources. Kasi ito yung magpupush sa inyo na, sige, try natin ulit. Mag-umpisa muli tayo. Diba? If you could agree to remove this energy, then the better. Kasi ito yung nagkukos kasi ng problema eh. Diba? Yung paglilihim-lihim, pagsisinungaling, pagtatago, pagnanakaw, pagkakaroon ng mga bisyong hindi mabuti sa katawan. Ang bisyo could be what? Drugs, gambling, pangbababae, panglalaki, whatever that is bad, yun. Kasi natin yan. Kasi hindi yan kailangan eh. They're not needed sa relationship to make it work, di ba? So, ano yung advice? Be authentic. Be real and true to who you are and how you feel. Be authentic. Tama. No? Magpakatotoo ka. Here you go. In your person. Magpakatotoo. Isipin kung talagang mahal mo to, gagawin mo lahat, di ba, para to keep that relationship. First quarter moon in Taurus, release control. Oh yeah, definitely. Wala na control. New moon in Aquarius, open up to change. Yes. And last quarter moon in Capricorn, leave the past behind. Definitely. Iwan na yan. Past na yan eh. Tapos na. Huwag nyo nang balikan. Kung naayos nyo na to, napag-usapan na, and you were able to amend things, then forget about it. Don't go back doon sa nangyari na before. Kung isa sa mga, ilan mo na, yung may nangyari, sabihin natin nagkaroon ng ibang, sabihin natin may third party, hindi naman sila natuloy, nawala naman. So, kalimutan na natin yun. Kasi binigyan mo na siya ng pagkakataon eh. So, open up to change, no? Yung pagbabago, which is this new beginning na nakita natin. Yung dalawang ace na yan. And release control. Ito, boom ito sa inyo. Boom! Kasi diba very controlling yung mga Virgo. But remember Virgo, you can only control yourself. And that's it. Yung person mo, may sariling free will yan. You might say na, okay, ayoko to. It's for your person to know that this is what you don't like and it is within your boundaries, no? Nasa sa kanya yon to respect that or not. Diba? Huwag mong kontrolin lahat. If it's meant to be, it will happen. Ang makokontrol mo talaga yung sarili mo lang eh. Diba? Yes, you plan, you think. You want these things to be perfect. Sino bang ayaw? But there's somebody up there who is really the one in control of all that is happening to us. Okay? Be reminded of that. Just pray na, things will work out for your best. Okay, Virgo. Kung kanino man itong energy na nakuha natin ngayon, sana nakatulong ito ng malaki sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin, sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.